Welcome back. Welcome back to Dazzle Carpentry YouTube channel. Today, we'll take a dive into the fascinating world of interior design and explore the art of space planning. In this DIY guide, we'll make the whole process feel as easy as pie, breaking it down into simple steps and offering you principles and tips to create stunning functional spaces in your home or business. Number one, get to know space planning. Space planning is like the magic behind interior design. It's all about figuring out what a space should do and making it look amazing. We'll help you consider the different types of spaces, how they'll be used, and other cool stuff. 2. 4 types of spaces. Imagine spaces like characters in the story. They fall into 4 main categories. The social spaces, like your cozy living rooms and dining areas. The private spaces, like your personal hideaway or the bedroom. The workspaces, where you handle your business, like your home office. Storage spaces, the guardians of all your stuff, like closets and shelves. Each category has its unique influence on how things should be arranged and styled. 3. Room's purpose and usage. Each room has a story to tell. Think about what will happen in there, the activities, the vibes, the needs, from storage solutions to lighting. You tailor the room to fit its purpose. 4. Follow the footsteps. Follow traffic and circulation. 4. Follow the footsteps. Foot traffic and circulation. Imagine people moving around in your space like characters on a stage. Map out their paths so you know where to place doors, furniture, and other items. Safety and ease of movement are your main acts here. Number 5, the multifunctional magic. Sometimes a room has to wear many hats. Consider additional needs like extra storage or flexible seating to make sure the space can do it all. Why space planning matters. Good space planning is like the secret sauce of interior design. It keeps your spaces from feeling cluttered and ensures they are super user-friendly. The perfect space planning recipe. Here's how you cook up a well-planned space. 1. Start with a rough floor map, like a sketching. Number 1, start with a rough floor map. The perfect space planning recipe. Here's how you cook up a well-planned space. First, start with a rough floor map, just like sketching out your dream space. Secondly, turn your dreams into reality by deciding on layouts, measurements, and other nitty-gritty details. Thirdly, dive into specifics. What furniture goes where, how the room will be used, and other little touches that make it perfect. 5 space planning principles to live by. 1. Think about prospect and refuge. How much a space can be a lookout or a cozy hideaway. 2. Make your design human-friendly. Your space should be more than just pretty. It should make people feel good physically and mentally. Number 3. Layer your lighting to create different moods and functions. 4. Don't think of a room in isolation. How it connects to other spaces matters. Number 5. Document everything you decide and what your client wants. It's like having a cheat sheet for your design journey. Top 10 space planning tips. 1. Work with your existing focal points in the room.